In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your HP SmartTank 555 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP SmartTank 555 support. Best result should come back with an HP SmartTank Plus 555 wireless all-in-one. Go ahead and open up that link. And then going underneath the support category that reads software and drivers, go ahead and select that tile. And then scrolling down again, you want to expand the item in here that says printer firmware. And then you want to go underneath the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software and go ahead and select the download button for that. And once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to begin extracting it and just give it a moment here. It should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the wizard here of getting it installed and set up. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.